Mimi nitasema ya kwamba vile unaona viongozi wamekusanyika hapa leo ni kuonyesha kwamba wananchi wetu wameumia sana. Hasa mwezi huu ambapo kilimo cha chai, majani chai, bei yake imetolewa ile inaitwa final payment bonus. Na imekuwa chini sana. Lakini tukiwa viongozi, mimi nikiulizwa zaidi nitaeleza kwamba hakuna mtu amechukua responsibility ya hizo prices, not KTDA. If you ask KTDA why the prices are down, they will give you stories that the international market was not friendly, was down because of instability in Pakistan, in Egypt. And when you go to the government, even you don't know now who should take the blame, because the responsibility of marketing our products is not in trend. The responsibility is with the Agriculture and Food Authority, which sits in the Ministry of Agriculture. Therefore, what actually I request and I'm trying to do, even through registration, is to ensure that the Ministry of Agriculture is only involved in production and research, maybe of tea and coffee. But currently, the tea directorate, which sits in the Agriculture and Food Authority, the coffee directorate is responsible for the marketing. And initially, actually, before the scrapping of the environmental levy, which was in the Ministry of Agriculture, that was in the year 2016. A lot of money was available for marketing, which was in the Ministry of Agriculture through the Tea Directorate, which was then the Tea Directorate of Kenya and the Coffee Directorate. What I request is that the President should revoke an executive order so that the Ministry of Agriculture is not marketing tea. Marketing is purely trade. And there is no responsibility that the Ministry of Trade has in the marketing of tea and coffee and other products. Therefore, this is the time that the Ministry of Agriculture only does the production and research, and then the Ministry of Trade is basically entitled to do the trade and the marketing. Because now, for example, we were discussing with the government on the Big Four agenda with my colleague Honorable Moses Kuria, and it was agreed that there will be 2 value addition factories for tea, and they were to be based in Mombasa. And that is why we also said we cannot have tea value addition factories in Mombasa. There is no tea in Mombasa. There is tea in Mount Kenya region and the Rift Valley. Those two additional value addition factories, one should be brought to Mount Kenya region and another one in the Rift Valley. Yes. And we don't want anything short of that minimum again. I know even now there are those discussions that those factories should be in Mombasa, because we don't understand why tea from South Imenti constituency is transported to Mombasa, to go down in Mombasa, so that they can be sold from Mombasa auction. Why can't they take tea directly from Imenti tea factory, Kim-Kionyon tea factory, or any other factory in Kenya, direct to the international market? Why should we have all these issues here? The KTDA takes 2.5% of green leaf from all the farmers, 2.5%. So before even they declare the bonuses, they first take their 2.5% and all other costs, and then they give the farmers the mabaki. Therefore, the way honorable member from Rift Valley saying that we need, if KTDA, as the price is down, even the 2.5% should be reduced to 1%, should also be affected. So these laws should be shared, spread across the board. Therefore, KTD itself, even if it means going the older way of having it an authority, the way my colleague has put it, we can revoke sessional paper number 1 of 1999. It was passed by this House in 1999, and we can revoke it so that this KTD agency, because it's a limited company, the government has no has no stakes in KTDA because there is a limited company by shares. So we need really to look at that. Maybe we will engage as colleagues from the tea growing areas and see how we can really look at the sessional paper number 1 of 1999. Number 2, KTDA has other subsidiaries. There are almost 10 subsidiaries. We want to know who runs these subsidiaries. How does the farmer benefit from chai trading? Because KTDA is also trading with the same tea that they are managing for the farmers. They have chai trading and other funny institutions within them. How does the farmer benefit from the subsidiaries that KTDA has? Thank you very much, and God bless you.